Motul Motocool Factory line is a racing cooling liquid, ready to use, based on mono-ethylene-glycol, using organic anti-corrosion additives OAT organic acid technology to provide an outstanding protection to aluminium or magnesium alloys used by bike manufacturers on new engines design. Performance's cooling system optimal protection from freezing and metallic parts from corrosion. Specific anti-corrosion agents provides the best protection efficiency on aluminium or magnesium alloys according to a dynamic corrosion test performed on a bike radiator. Motul Motocool Factory line divides by 3 the corrosion rate compared to a common organic coolant, provides an excellent thermal exchange and then engine cooling efficiency and prevents from boiling. Ready-to-use cooling liquid, anti-corrosion and anti-freeze protection -35°C or -31°F OAT technology. Nitrite-free, amine-free, phosphate-free, borate-free, silicate-free. This organic OAT technology provides anti-corrosion properties that remain while high temperature and aging. Low corrosion inhibitors consumption allows extended drain intervals. Water pumps protection, avoid cavitation. Seals, rubber pipes and plastic parts friendly. Contains a bitterness agent to prevent from drinking. Coolants and antifreezes have a sweet taste but are harmful. Recommendations ready to use: do not add any water drain intervals. Refer to the manufacturer's recommendation. Do not mix with non-organic products. This product should not be used to protect drinking water systems against freezing.